Hi, let's solve maths with passion. Welcome again to Meeting of Minds. You have a question in front of you. I would say please give a minute and try to solve this question. I hope you have paused the video and tried to solve this question. First of all, we'll discuss the concept. It has two concepts. One is the similarity, all the Thales theorem, and the another one is isosceles triangle. Start with the basic concept of isosceles triangle. So our first concept is quite simple. If we have an isosceles triangle, how can we say isosceles triangle? If the angles these two are the same, we can say the sides are same or the vice versa. So this is the first concept. If we have the two base angles are the same, then the side respectives are also same. That's the concept of isosceles triangle. What happens in the Thales theorem or the similarity? Can we say if these two lines are the parallel in a triangle, see, and this length is x, this length is y, by the similarity we can say the PQ upon ST ratio, the PQ upon ST ratio is the upper triangle length is x and the total triangle length is x plus y. How comes? Because we know that triangles are similar. If we have a similar triangles, then we have two parallel lines, or the vice versa. If we have a parallel lines, then we have a similar triangles. The side ratio of similar triangles depends upon the other corresponding sides. For the PQ, say this one is the M. For the PQM triangle, the side respective is x, and for the MST, the side respective is x plus y. So the PQ upon ST is PQ x upon x plus y. I hope it is okay. Now the second case, if we say we have a two line and this angle is theta and this angle is theta. If we have these two angles are theta, we can say these two lines are the parallel. Assume we can create a parallel line. The concept number one is isosceles triangle. Concept number two is similarity. Concept number three is if these two angles are equal, alternate internal angles, then these two lines are the parallel. If we have a line called AB and we have AC, is another line. If we draw a line CD, we construct line CD such that these two angles are same, then with the help of the third property, we can say these two lines are the parallel. So we have four basic concepts in our question. Let's solve our question. So this one is our question. Okay, let's work on this one. So what is the question? We have a triangle given in which one of the line is given. So let's log the figure. So ABC is a triangle in which AC is 15 given. So our AC is 15. It is given. BAD is x and this one is 180 minus 2x. This one is 180 minus 2x. BD and DC ratio is 1:2. This ratio is 1:2. Then we need to find the AD length. Say this one is 180 minus 2x. Let's construct a line DE. Let's construct a line DE. Assume the DE is parallel to AC. So we constructed a line DE, which one is parallel to AE. So we can say if this angle is 180 minus 2x, this angle is also 180 minus 2x. I hope it is okay. Because in the parallel lines, alternate internal angles are equal. So this one is x. In the triangle, we work in the triangle AED. If this one is 180 minus 2x, this one is x. To make 180, this angle must be x. Because in any triangle, all angles are actually 180 degrees summation is. I'm just repeating what I have done. Just cross check. So the first step is I created a line DE. Which one is parallel to AC? This is my construction. I created a line AC, which one is parallel to DE. So with the help of the parallel line property, since these two lines are the parallel AC and DE, if this one is 180 minus 2x, this angle should also be the 180 minus 2x. Okay. If we work on the triangle AED, summation of all angles should be 180. So 180 minus 2x and the x, this must be x. I hope it is okay. So can we say AED is an isosceles triangle with the base angle x and x? So can we say the ED length is actually equal to AD length? This one is a special property of this angle. Fine. So we created an isosceles triangle by default. if we are going to construct a parallel line with the x and 180 minus 2x, these two lines are the parallel. If we consider, then we are going to create an isosceles triangle because x 180 minus 2x. Now we are going to use the Thales theorem. Can we say if this ratio is 1:2? We know these two lines are the parallel. So on the parallel line DE and AC, we have a similar triangle ACB and the EDB. So can we say the ED on the smaller triangle out of AC, the total triangle, the ratio should be 1/3. The ratio should be 1/3. I hope it is okay. Now, what is the AC given? AC given is 15. It is given. If the AC is 15, we go for this. ED could be 5 or must be 5. If ED is 5 and we proved ED is equal to AD, AD must be 5, and this one is our answer. So we used the 4 basic concepts. I'm just repeating: isosceles triangle, Thales theorem, similarity, parallel line structures, and we solve the question. So this one is the figure and the solution. Whenever you have angles on some vertex is x and 180 minus 2x, and we have a Cevian, AD is a Cevian, then the AD Cevian's length depends upon the Thales theorem and parallel line concept. So we solved this question. Now I'm going to give you a homework. Instead of x and 180 minus 2x, we can do some other values also. So let's solve a question. The question is quite simple. Say we have ABC is a triangle. Fine, a triangle named ABC, and the AD is a Cevian. Say, okay. Now, if we have AD is the Cevian, the data given is D is midpoint. D is midpoint. So the first data is D is midpoint. The second data is AC is 20 unit. AC is 20 unit. And the last data which I'm going to give you is, if this angle is 45 degree, then this angle is 90 degree. Can we have the same thing? X and 180 minus 2x. What was the figure? Check the figure. X and 180 minus 2x. If you have these type of property, and my question is, what is the length of AD? I'm looking this in the comment box. If you have any doubt in the concept, I would say rewatch the video, discuss in the comment box. I try to give my best. If you do not have any doubt, I would say please solve this question as a homework and post answer in the comment box. I hope I'm trying to give my best. I just want your love and passion. Like the video, share the video, and ask others to follow Meeting of Minds, because here Meeting of Minds, I'm following my passion and I'm trying to give my best. Myself Amiya, and let's learn a new concept in the next video. God bless you.